Hi, teachers. When you get ready to create your next week of content, sometimes the easiest thing to do is to start with what you already have. For example, if I know that I want to follow this same sequence for reading for week 5, what I might want to do is just copy each of these lessons over and then change the content. I can do that very easily by just using the 3 little buttons on the side, the little 3 dashes. When I click on that, it gives me an option to duplicate. So I can duplicate this. When I do that, it will make a direct copy right underneath with the title copy. From there, I can take this and using the drag to reorder, I can pick this up and drag it wherever I want. Now in this case, I want to put it into week 5. So if I already have my week 5 information there, I can just go drag it to week 5 and it'll drop it. Well, I have to open it up first. And then I can go drag it where I want it in week 5. So here's my reading. Maybe I want to drop it in right there, right? So after you have this copy and you have it in the right place, just to change the content, all you have to do is then go click on it, go to edit, and then you'll see, just like you have seen before, your rich content editor. You can use the dial to make it bigger. So let's say I'm going to change this because now it's going to be author's purpose. Okay. And then I will just go in and start editing the content the way from here. This will allow me to have the same format for what I was doing, as well as all the other little features like my header bars and everything else are already there. So I can just swap out the content for that lesson. When I get done, then all I have to do is check the points and stuff, which should be the same. And more importantly, I want to update the due date to the correct due date for that week. When it's done, I can just click save and my lesson is ready to go. So I think this is the most efficient way for you to create the next week's worth of lessons, especially if you already have a format set up that you like and that your students are familiar with. Have fun.